What if I told you that every single YouTube channel that hit 100,000 subscribers used the same 3 core systems? Not ads, not luck, but pure, repeatable strategy. Today, I am breaking down the most complete YouTube growth blueprint ever made, the same playbook top creators and agencies use to blow up their views, subscribers, and real revenue. You need to stick around until the very end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to turn YouTube into a real, sustainable income machine. Even if you're starting with 0 subscribers today, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a battle-tested plan for real growth. Let's get into it. First things first, let's build your foundation, what I call the view ecosystem. Step 1 is choosing your niche. And no, not something random you thought of in the shower. You need a niche with high search demand, medium competition, and most importantly, repeatable content potential. You can use tools like Vidic, TubeBuddy, or even Keyword Tool IO to find keywords that get over 10,000 searches a month and have low competition. Think about topics like free AI tools, English learning hacks, Vietnam travel in 4K, or tech reviews. These are powerful because they have dedicated audiences. Remember, YouTube's algorithm promotes consistency in your topic, not randomness. You want to build your channel like a binge-worthy Netflix series, not a random variety show where viewers don't know what to expect next. Be the go-to source for one specific thing, and the algorithm will reward you. Okay, now that you have your niche, let's talk about what really matters. Your content. Content is king, but retention is God. If people don't watch your videos, nothing else matters. For truly viral videos, you need to master the 3S formula. The first S is a strong hook. You have 5 seconds, maybe less, to grab their attention. Start with a bold statement like, 90% of YouTubers are doing this one thing completely wrong ... or ask a question that sparks immediate curiosity. Don't waste time with a long, boring intro. Get straight to the point. The second S is storyline and flow. Your video needs a clear beginning, middle, and end. Keep your pacing tight. Make your calls to action feel natural and not forced, and constantly switch up your visuals to keep the viewer engaged. Nobody wants to stare at the same shot for 3 minutes straight. And the third S is a smart ending. Don't just say thanks for watching. End by teasing your next video. Create an open loop. Say something like, and if you think this tip was powerful, just wait until you see the AI tool I'm revealing next week. This gets people excited and encourages them to subscribe so they don't miss out. A quick tip here. Every 10 to 15 seconds, add a pattern interrupt. This can be a quick zoom in, a sound effect, a funny meme cut, or even a subtitle flash on the screen. Your goal is to keep your audience retention above 50%. If you can do that, YouTube's algorithm will start pushing your content to new audiences for free. Now, let's talk about becoming a content machine without burning out. AI isn't the future, it's your production team, and it's working for you right now. Here's your new, super efficient content workflow. For script writing, use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Just give it a prompt like, write a 2-minute funny script about learning to code. For your voiceover, you don't even need a fancy microphone anymore. Tools like 11 Labs or Hagen can generate incredibly realistic AI voices. For visuals, you can create stunning thumbnails and B-roll footage in seconds with Midjourney, Pika Labs, or Waymo. For subtitles, which are crucial, use CapCut, Subtitle B, or Descript to automatically generate them, even in multiple languages. And for SEO ideas, Vidic's AI Coach can instantly find you trending keywords and video topics. Using this workflow, you can batch create 5 to 10 videos at once. And on YouTube, consistency always wins the algorithm. Let's dive into YouTube SEO secrets, because this is how you get free, endless traffic. Your video's SEO structure is critical. It starts with the title. Your title should follow a simple formula: keyword plus benefit plus emotion. For example, a great title would be, "How I Gained 1000 Subs in 7 Days, No Ads, No Tricks." It has the keyword, the benefit, and it sparks curiosity. Next is your description. Aim for 250 to 400 words. Make sure to include your main keyword about 3 times naturally. Add a clear call to action, and include relevant hashtags at the bottom. For your tags, use a mix of long tail and related keywords. Think like a viewer. What would they search for? Use tags like YouTube Growth 2025, How to Get Subscribers Fast, SEO for YouTube, and Viral YouTube Tips. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. It needs big, easy-to-read text, bright, contrasting colors, and an expressive face if possible. And here is a pro tip. Make sure your video file name contains your keyword before you upload it. For example, name the file Grow YouTube Channel, MP, for double quotes finally. Always upload an SRT subtitle file. It not only helps with accessibility, but also boosts your international SEO. Now, how do you get those precious subscribers? First, a golden rule: never, ever buy subs. They're fake, they don't engage, and they will kill your channel's growth. You need to grow them organically. The best way is to use a direct call to action inside your video. Don't just say subscribe, give them a reason. For example, if this tip helped you, hit that subscribe button right now, because the next video goes even deeper on this topic. Another powerful strategy is to create content series. Think part 1, part 2, part 3. This encourages viewers to binge watch your content, and if they like the series, they'll subscribe to see the next installment. Make full use of YouTube's features. Add end screens that link to other videos, and your subscribe button, and use cards to poll your audience or link to relevant content. And don't forget YouTube Shorts. They are a fantastic way to drive new followers to your main channel fast. As a bonus tip, offer a free gift like a template, an ebook, or a link to a cool AI tool exclusively for your subscribers. It gives them an extra incentive to join your community. Ready to take your channel global? It's easier than you think. You don't need to speak another language, just use AI translation. Translate your video titles and subtitles into high-demand languages like English, Spanish, or Hindi. You can also add bilingual descriptions. For example, have your Vietnamese title and description first, followed by the English version right below it. For an initial boost, you can run a small Google Ads video campaign targeting cheaper regions like India, Brazil, or the Philippines. You can get views for a fraction of the cost, which helps build initial traction. An even easier way to go global is to post shorts in English. The format is simple, and English language content has the best chance to go viral on a global scale. A single viral short can bring in thousands of international subscribers overnight. Alright, let's talk about the fun part: making money like a pro. Your goal should be to build multiple income streams. The first, and most obvious, is AdSense through the YouTube Partner Program, but don't stop there. The second is affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. Third, create and sell your own digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. This is where you can make serious income. Fourth is brand sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will pay you to feature their products. And fifth, you have live stream donations and channel memberships. To really boost your RPM, which is your revenue per 1,000 views, focus on high-value niches like finance, tech, AI, and education. Also, target top-tier countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, as advertisers pay more for those audiences. And always make your videos over 8 minutes long. This allows you to enable mid-roll ads, which can dramatically increase your ad revenue. Your YouTube channel shouldn't exist in a vacuum. Cross-platform growth is like pouring gasoline on your algorithm fire. You need a smart strategy for each platform. On Facebook, post short clips and always include a link to the full video on YouTube. On TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Post your best 15 to 30-second highlights with a clear call to action. Watch the full video on YouTube, link in bio. Use Pinterest to share your eye-catching thumbnails, which link back to your videos. On X, formerly Twitter, post valuable insights from your videos and use hashtags like #YouTubeTips. For a professional audience, share polished clips on LinkedIn. You can even create a community sharing group on Telegram or Zollo. Post in relevant subreddits like YouTubers, write SEO articles on Medium that link back to your channel, and use YouTube's own community tab for polls, memes, and short updates to keep your audience engaged between uploads. So, let's recap the viral formula. It's the key to everything we've talked about. It's a powerful hook, followed by delivering fast value, creating an open loop to keep them watching, combined with a strong thumbnail, solid SEO, and relentless consistency. That is the formula for viral growth. Your workflow is simple. Use AI to find a hot topic, script, and create the content. Optimize your SEO, publish it, share it everywhere, analyze the results, and then repeat the process. This is exactly how top creators build real, sustainable income and make a lasting impact. If you are serious about building your YouTube brand and earning real money online, I need you to do one thing right now. Smash that subscribe button, drop a fire emoji in the comments below, and as a thank you, I'll personally send you the free YouTube Growth Checklist 2025. This is your time. This is your year. Let's build your channel and your future together.